hope they ready.
I hope they're ready for some bangers. Bangers.
You have to what?
Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous. Welcome back TT Gang Gang, and for today's video, today is October 2nd, so that means this is our Vlogtober number 2. Okay, so in today's video, as you guys already saw by the title, your girl needs to finish decorating. So I have all of my little decor here on my table. I got the mood setting right now. You know, I got my harvest something, I can't remember what it was, but I got it from Walmart. You know, I got the mood going right now, but I need to finish decorating. I honestly do not have a whole lot of fall decor. For fall to be, ooh, I'm a little dark. For fall to be my favorite season, I do not have a lot of fall decor at all, which is the reason why I have went to Dollar Tree and decorated my table. So right now my table is already decorated. I did make a video about it, but for some reason it's stuck in my iClouds downloading somewhere. So sorry, I don't have the appropriate content to show you guys from when I decorated my table. But for right now, we're gonna try to decorate a little bit outside and whatever else I have right now. You can't really see the table because it's all cluttered, but I got this right here that I had got from Ross. I got these here from Bath and Body Works, so I need to put those out. This right here is also a candle holder. You can put candle on top. Got that from Bath and Body Works. Those were $20 each. And then I have this wreath I need to put outside. When the fall season is over, I'm gonna get another wreath because these are starting to chip a little bit. And then I have this kind of like bamboo type plant thing here, which is starting to fall apart. But it's all good, it's all good. Then I have the other piece to this where I got from Ross, and then these of course came from Dollar Tree that I've had. These are usually at my desk, but because I'm not in the office, I need to put them up somewhere around the house. Pretty much a neutral, modern type. Not a whole lot of colors. I do not have a whole lot of colors at all. So I try to keep it neutral as possible until I find my right style. I just put those pillows out just to have them there because I had black and white right there, but until I find my exact style, this is pretty much how I want it, just neutral colors. And say hey to the vlog.
Hey.
Okay. All right, so are you gonna help me dust off that? On her door. Okay, because I don't want it in my kitchen. I honestly prefer this one here because it looks better, so I'm gonna leave that right there. Just keep it neutral the way I already have it. Like that is just way too colorful, so let's put this on your door. So let's go and turn the light on, hang it up. Boom, happy harvest. Now that looks better on her door. Okay, all right, boom. There we go.
Her door?
Nothing. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. Again, I do not have a whole lot of decor, so boom. Place these up to make them look a little better. I need to find spots for this. I don't know exactly where, but I guess leaving it on the table. Right now it's starting to become so cluttered. Like, I don't know. Do you guys like clutter on y'all table? I have no idea.
I bet they don't.
You bet they don't? In the refrigerator. Alright, so, or I can put these down here. I don't know.
So she's gonna redo it again. She's gonna recreate it. Yeah, I like that better.
Too thick. No. I might put these flowers up at the top over there, like to get that together, you know. So let me put this. I need to find
A place to put it.
Yep. Now guys, remember, you do not have to go to the store and buy all a whole lot of stuff. You can just shop your house. But if you want to, just stop at the Dollar Tree, and that's how I created my table right here. Well, I'm gonna leave that there for right now. That's like pretty much the only spot where it can go. Alright, so I'm gonna move this out the way because I don't think we need that. I don't want a whole lot of stuff. We're gonna go outside and hang this up. So I already got my little lights, my stuff, really nice.
You know what it look like right now?
That's what it look like?
Yeah, that's what it look like. What's your cash out?
So now I gotta find somewhere to put these, but I need some candles to go on top. These little white specks is from when my place was getting renovated and they had the spray paint, which kind of like damaged up a lot of my stuff. I don't think we really need those right away. In my opinion, not just yet. I'm gonna save those for like Christmas. It's a whole lot of black over there. So for Christmas, this is where I'm gonna put my stuff, but I'm gonna leave it right there for right now. Chair covers. I got these chair covers from Amazon. So I get like 4 of them. And they're $20. Alright, so here are my pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's for $1. This garland, I got like 5 garlands. And I got these here. They are glass. Got the tray. I'm gonna get some candy and put inside here. But these here, these pumpkins are so cute. I love them. Then I got this right here, which is black rocks. And my flowers right here for $1. Got some more decor. And boom. And then I have this table runner, which runs all the way down. Boom. right here. But other than that, I like my little area. And boom, 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 boom. My table is set and looks really, really nice. Until I get some more candles, then that is all for this decorate with me fall decor. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, please, 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 so you do not miss an upload. And I will see you tomorrow in October. It'll be October 3rd, so it'll be our Vlogtober number 3. I'll check you guys out later. Okay, bye, gorgeous.